So children, if you are not responding to me, I would think that you are not present in the class. Yes? So again, I am calling the name. Please listen to me. Vishali of OD, are you there? Just unmute, dear.
Yes, ma'am.
Jai Gurudev. Okay. Yugesh of OD. Yugesh of OD.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Vidyut Atriya. Vidyut Atriya. Yes, mute your mute ma. Yugesh and Vishali, please mute yourself. Okay, he has went. Okay. Vaibhav. Vaibhav of OD. No. No response, ma'am. Please note down the names who are not responding. Nantish have not connected with the audio, I think. Said Fahad. Said Fahad, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So children, I have called these names. I want these children to come and read the words whichever I am sharing on the screen. Okay? Yes. And today children, you have got the timetable for the Hindi. Yes. 4 to 5 we have an extra coaching class. Do you all know that? Just put in the chat box if yes or no.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So I want all the children to present in that class and they should read and get good marks. Okay. I want each and everyone to participate in that. So only we have taken this initiative so that we can help our children. And I want all the children to present in the class. And I would appreciate the children who are regularly present in the class. Okay, dear? Yeah. Thank you, children. So now I'm going to share one thing which we have read last time. And the names who I have called now, only that children will unmute and speak to me. Clear? Others will not unmute. So again, I am repeating the names of the children. Vishali, Yugesh, Vaibhav, Said. Okay? Yes? So now I'm going to share children. So please read. Now you tell me, yes. Vishali, you just tell me what we learned in the last class for this and that. What we should say for this and that. Yes, ma?
We wrote Kakagavana in the whiteboard.
Okay, then what we did?
Then we wrote Vetanal. That's all.
That one is for Venjan Barakadi we did.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Whether we have learned that Yaha Vaha, you know what we should say for this
Say for
and that in Hindi?
no, ma'am.
What,
No,
dear?
ma'am.
Okay. Okay, okay, fine, Kana. No problem. Kata, yes, who have unmuted, please mute yourself.
Neetu ma'am? Neetu ma'am?
Hello.
Your
Hello.
voice is not audible, ma'am. Neetu ma'am?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Your voice is not
Hello.
audible.
My voice is not audible.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, ma'am, is it okay?
Ah, yes, ma'am. Now it's okay.
Okay, fine, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. So now we are going to learn yaha, waha, this. Yaha means this. So, what is the word which we say, this is a pen? In English, you used to say this and that. Okay, we used to say this and that. So, for this, we will say yaha. What it is? Yaha. Okay. So yah and vah. This we will tell for the things. To mention non-living things. Okay, children? Yah pen hai. Yah kalam hai. This is a pen. Likewise, we will indicate the words with yah and vah. Is it clear, children? Any doubts still here? Any one of you just unmute and speak to me? Yes?
They
Am I
are
audible, ma'am?
uh,
Am I audible?
you are audible, ma'am.
No, ma'am, no doubt, sir.
Neetu ma'am.
Okay,
No,
okay,
ma'am,
fine.
no.
Okay, no children, if I am not audible, please speak to me, okay? One of them, please unmute and speak to me. Okay,
Neetu
children.
ma'am,
Now
1
you can
minute.
see. Okay, okay. Thank you, dear. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Yeah. So now please listen. Please mute yourself. Now
Divya
you can
ma'am.
see on the screen, there is one pick. Okay, what is this? What we say here? We say it as pen. Yes, in English, what we say it as? Pen. Now, for pen, in Hindi, we say it as kalam. What we say? Kalam. You have to join this letters. Letters हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं letters को? वर्ण. वर्ण को join करके, वर्ण को जोड़कर हमें एक शब्द मिलता है. शब्द means a word. Okay, children? So, kalam. So when I join this, जब मैं इसे जोड़ देती हूँ, तो शब्द क्या बन जाता है? Word क्या बन जाता है? कलम. कलम means pen. Kalam means pen. Okay. So now, in English, what you say? This is a pen. This is a pen. This is a pen. यह कलम है. यह कलम है. Okay. So now, यह कलम है. And what do you mean by this word full stop? Full stop in Hindi, it means Purna Viram. It means Purna Viram. Okay. So, यह क्या है? क्या means what? क्या means what? यह कलम है. So, we are answering to the question as यह कलम है. Okay. So, these are the questions that we ask when we want to speak or when we have to indicate some non-living things. This and that. In Hindi it is known as यह वह. सब आप क्या बोलोगे इसे? यह कलम है. Yes. So, any doubts still here, children? Any doubts? No. Okay, fine. Now we will go for the next one. Yeah. What is this? Yeah, beautiful. We sit on this. See, so happy. So what we call them as? We call it as chair. In English, we call it as chair. Okay. Yeah. So how we have to pronounce this? So see, I'm writing on it. Ka. Ka में छोटी की मात्रा ku. Ra. Si. Kursi. Kursi. Ka, ku, Kursi. Kursi. Kursi means chair. Okay. Kursi means chair. यह कुर्सी है. यह क्या है? यह कुर्सी है. Okay, children. Again, I'll repeat. Kursi. 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 Okay. So repeat this. क में छोटी की मात्रा कु र सी. कुर्सी. That means chair. यह कुर्सी excuse me है. Okay. So again we'll repeat. कुर्सी. कुर्सी. So we have learnt now 2 words. हम अभी क्या पढ़ चुके हैं? 2 शब्द पढ़ चुके हैं. ओके. 2 शब्द पढ़ चुके हैं. ओके. और वह क्या है? पहला हमने क्या पढ़ा था? कलम. 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 Kalam means pen. And next word we have learned kursi. Kursi means chair. Okay. And what we say for this? Yah. Ya and ha. When we joined, it becomes yah. Okay, children. So now, any doubts still here? Just tell me, children, any doubts? Please, one of them respond me. Any one of you? Yes? Ma'am, am I audible, ma'am?
No.
Yes,
No
ma'am, you are
doubts.
audible, ma'am. No.
Okay, fine, ma'am. Thank you. No, because no one is speaking, so I thought whether I am audible or not.
You are audible.
Okay,
में
okay.
मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
हाँ हाँ अभी आ रही है. बोलो रुबेदा. Thank you, ma'am.
What is full stop in Hindi पूछ रहे हैं.
अच्छा, full stop क्या? पूर्ण विराम. पूर्ण विराम. Okay, children. I will write on the screen. Okay, just see it. I will write 1 minute. Yeah. Very good, children. You are asking these doubts. Thank you, ma'am. So this we will say it as Purna Viram. See, I am writing in Hindi, children. This one is Ra. Okay. Purna. Purna Viram. V, chota V, Ra, Ma. Purna Viram. पूर्ण विराम. और कुछ डाउट है मैम? Is it clear, children? Full stop. It means full stop in Hindi. Okay? ठीक है. Now, next one. We'll go for the next one. घड़ी. Okay? What it is? घड़ी. Okay? What it is? घड़ी. So, घड़ी को क्या बोलते हैं हम इंग्लिश में? घड़ी को हम इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं? वॉच या तो क्लॉक. ओके. बट इन हिंदी वी से इट एज घड़ी. ओके चिल्ड्रन? यस. सो जस्ट आई एम राइटिंग हियर 1 minute ma. Yes. So clock, or we can say even the watch. But in Hindi, we will only say ghadi. Okay. So how we have to write this ghadi? Yes. Gha से घर. Okay. फिर ड घड़ी. बड़ी की मात्रा डी. Okay. घड़ी. Okay, what do you mean by this watch? घड़ी. घड़ी it shows us the time. हमें क्या बताता है? समय. समय means time. Okay, because time is very valuable and we have to maintain the time management. Then only we can success in our life. Okay, children. So I want all the children to be on time. Okay, and who are really maintaining this discipline, I would say, children, they will be always prospering in the life. Okay? Yeah. So now we are going to learn this. यह घड़ी है. this is a watch or this is a clock. Okay. So what we say in English? This. Now in Hindi, what we say? Yah. Yah घड़ी है. Now why again I am asking the question. यह क्या है? So you have to say यह घड़ी है. Okay, children? Yes. So finally we have learned now 3 words. What it is? Kalam, kursi, and the third one is ghadi. Okay. So 3 words we have learned. And with that we have learned yaha, waha. Okay. Yaha, waha. This and that. Till now we have read only yaha. Now we will go for the next one. 1 minute. Yeah. Wow. What is this? Just put in the chat box, children. What do you say this in Hindi, in English? Yes? Put in the chat box. Yes, the answers are coming, ma'am. Hello?
Yes, ma'am. Table.
Acha, acha. Thank you. ठीक है. Table. Very good, children. Yes. So, table. So, you have given me the answer. So, I am giving you a big star for all of you to participate. Very good. So, now in Hindi, we say it as maze. So, for kursi, chair, what we say, what we said, kursi. Now, for table, we say it as maze. Okay. Maze, maze. Now you can see, children, there is one dot below this. Okay. A dot below this. So, why? So when it is dot, the j sound changes into z, z sound. So we say it as maze, maze. Now I am writing on the board. Just see to it. Mommy, 1 minute, children. Okay. mommy एक की मात्रा में
Neetu ma'am, you are muted, ma'am.
muting. Hello.
Neetu ma'am, you
Yes,
are in
ma'am, you are
mute.
in mute.
नहीं ना, कोई म्यूट कर देता है मुझे. ये देखिए अब
Divya ma'am.
आवाज आ रही है.
Divya ma'am.
हेलो
No, ma'am, I didn't mute.
मैम, इट्स अनम्यूट ओनली नाउ. जस्ट अब आवाज आ रही है.
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
ma'am,
Hello.
now it's audible.
Okay, okay.
Divya ma'am,
So the
how
whole
do I unlock myself? Always I'm going in lock. I'm
no,
unable
for
to
me also it is
configure.
muted. अच्छा. Okay. So I'll repeat this again, children. वह मेज है. वह क्या है? वह मेज है. Okay, and now one more thing, children. If I'm asking the question in vah, then you should give me the answer in vah. Okay, you cannot say that. When I'm asking what is that, you should not say that is, this is a pen. Okay, that is a so and so. The same thing in Hindi also we say वह मेज है. Okay, अभी कुछ doubt है, कुछ संदेह है बच्चों? Just put in the chat box. Any doubts? Can I forward, ma'am? Any doubts, ma'am? Can I forward it?
No, no doubts,
Ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes.
You teach this from first.
Okay, okay. Yeah, yeah. Yes, ma'am. Again, I'll teach. No problem. 1 minute, ma'am. So now it's clear. Again, I'm going to teach this. Please listen carefully. Okay. What is this? Table. Now, who have asked me, please unmute and participate with me, ma'am.
Me, ma'am.
Yes, tell your name, Kana. Because
Mitra Vinda.
I'm on this. Huh?
Mitra.
Mitra. Okay, Mitra. Now, Mitra, I want you to read this. Please read this letter.
Maze.
Maze. So how would you write this? The j, the sounds, it becomes z when we put a dot below it. So what it becomes, children? Maze, maze. Maze means table. Okay. And now here what it is? Vah. We are going to learn vah. Vah means that. Vah means that. Okay. Vah maze hai. Maze hai means table. And what it is, again the full stop in Hindi. What we say it as? Purna Viram. We say it as Purna Viram. And for the question mark, what we say? Prashna Chinna. What we say? Prashna Chinna. You should all know this, ma. So when we dictate in the higher class, as you grow, we will say Purna Viram. So you have to put a full stop. So from now itself, you should learn all this. Yes?
What
Yes, Kana?
What will tell question mark in Hindi, ma'am?
Prashna Chinna. Prashna Chinna. Yes, got it? Okay. So now, वह क्या है? वह मेज है. क्या वह मेज है? Is that a maze? हाँ, वह मेज है. It's clear? Any doubts still here? Now, Mitra, I want you to read this, ma.
Mitra.
Yes, Mitra. Yeah, read, ma. First sentence.
मेज है.
Very good.
वह क्या है? वह
Very
मेज
good.
है.
Okay.
क्या वह मेज है? हाँ,
Mhm.
वह मेज है.
Very good, ma. A star for you. Very good. So, children, now is it clear? Yes.
How we, ma'am? How we write question mark in Hindi, ma'am? How we write?
Question mark, see, like this only. Question, okay, Prashna Chinna. See, I have written here. Same question mark you have to put, ma. But in Hindi, we say it as Prashna Chinna. Prashna. Chinna.
I'm saying wordings, ma'am.
Prashna Chinna. Prashna Chinna. Chinna means symbol. Okay. So is it clear, children, to all? Any doubts? Any doubts, ma?
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Yeah. Thank you, children. Now you can see, children. On the screen we have one pic. Okay. What is this? Say it's so happy. What is this? Just put in the chat box. Book. Very good. Very good. Very good. Yes, yes. Very good. Very good, ma. Yeah.
Children,
All of them, please don't unmute. Don't unmute, ma. Put in the chat box. Okay. Very good. So now, book. See, this book is so happy, and book is our very good friend. All where the students and teachers are surrounded with the books. They love books. Yes or no? We love story books. Yes. So, what we say book in Hindi? Today we are going to learn this. What it is?
Ma'am, kitab.
Kitab. Very good, very good. Don't unmute, ma. Don't unmute children because see network issue. Very good. You have told, so very good. I appreciate. Okay, kitab. Yes. Now I am going to write how to write. Now see ka में छोटी की मात्रा की, त में आ की मात्रा ता और ब किताब. Okay. Now in Hindi we say kitab it as another name. What it is? पुस्तक. प में छोटी की मात्रा पू, आधा स त और क. पुस्तक. ठीक है बच्चों? पुस्तक. So you have to say pus. That is आधा स. So pus. Even you have to just stress and you have to move. पुस्तक. Okay. So now today we are going to see यह किताब है. यह क्या है? यह किताब है. क्या यह किताब है? हाँ, यह किताब है. Yes, Ashmita, why are you giving the annotation request, dear? Yes. See, I have not called anyone to give me the annotations. When I call, you have to do it. Okay, children? Yes. Now you can see, children, when I am asking the question, yah, the answer is also given in yah. Okay? So please notify this. यह क्या है? यह किताब है. Okay? So book. So now what we have learned? Many words. What are they? First one is kalam. Kalam means pen. Kursi. Kursi means chair. Then what we learned? Table. Maze. Table means maze. Ghadi. Ghadi means time. Watch. Then fifth one is kitab. Kitab means book. Clear, children? Yes? What, ma? Any doubt?
Ma'am, we can write
You can write Kavarga. Okay. I will ask you. Yeah, you have to write in your notebook, ma'am. We will let you know everything. Don't worry. Okay. When we say you to write, you write. Okay. But you have to practice at home to write in this sequence. Okay. So now we have learned this sentences. Yah and Vah. Okay, children. So now we will go for the next one. Now I am going to ask the questions. Yes. So now I am going to call Vishali of OD to read this one. Vishali, are you there? Unmute to me.
Ma'am,
Unmute the audio, dear.
ma'am.
Huh? Yes. Yes, Vishali is speaking.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Can I read this? What is this in the pic? Just tell me what is this?
Pen.
क्या है ये?
Pen, ma'am.
Pen. In Hindi, what we say pen as?
Kalam.
Kalam. Very good. So, now you please read this, ma.
Kah.
कहा नहीं है. क्या? क्या
क्या?
means what? Yes. हाँ.
या
क्या?
वह
हाँ.
कलम है.
Very good. हाँ.
हाँ. वह कलम है.
वह. Is it वह? It is यह.
Okay, ma'am.
यह. See, यह and her. Okay. So, यह कलम है. Okay, now you read this. Next one. What is this in the pic?
कुर्सी
Shall I call the next name, ma'am?
कुर्सी में
Yeah, yeah. Kursi. Okay, very good, ma. So
Others,
this
please
is a
mute.
star for you. Okay. Now you unmute, dear. Now I'm going to call Yugesh. Yugesh of OD.
Yes, ma'am.
Yugesh, unmute yourself.
Ma'am.
Yeah. Now you read this, ma'am. Read this sentence. I'm getting some background noise, children. Please mute yourself. Ma'am, I
Jayashree,
couldn't
please
hear.
mute.
हाँ.
Jayashree. Yes, Yugesh has unmuted, ma'am.
Okay. Yugesh, थोड़ा जोर से बोलो. Little louder, I couldn't hear. Yeah, very good. क्या ये कुर्सी है? हाँ पढ़ो. Next sentence पढ़ो. Tell the answer for it. हाँ. Hmm. Hmm. Very good. Very good. Yeah, very good, ma. A star for you, Yugesh. Very good. So, kya? See, now you see, here I am asking the questions. The answer is also in here. Okay. Very good, ma. I appreciate both of you. Very good. So, this is the way we learn. क्या यह कुर्सी है? क्या यह कलम है? So you have to say in the answer. हाँ, यह कुर्सी है. हाँ, यह कलम है. Very good, both of you. Now I would call the next one, Vaibhav. Vaibhav of 4D. Vaibhav is there? I couldn't hear anything. Little louder, children.
Ma'am, Vaibhav left the meeting.
Yes. Harshan, please mute. 1 minute,
Okay,
ma'am.
Vaibhav has, yeah. Okay, Vaibhav has left the meeting. Okay, fine. Said Fahad. Said Fahad is there, 4D.
Yes,
In the
ma'am.
big, yes, very good, ma. So, Said Fahad, you please read this sentence, ma. Now, first, before that, you tell me what is this in the pic. Ghadi, very good, ma. So now, read this sentence.
क्या क्या यह गड़ी है? हाँ,
क्या
वह
यह? Is this a
गड़ी
यह?
है.
It is यह और वह.
यह गड़ी है.
Okay. What is the answer for it?
हाँ, वह गड़ी है.
Very good. So for you, a star. Very good. Next, what is this, ma? Huh?
वह नहीं, क्या वह किताब है?
Hmm.
हाँ, वह किताब है.
Very good. Now tell me the other name for kitab. Other name.
पुस्तक.
Very good, ma. Very good. For you, a balloon. And in the hot season, I will give you one ice cream. Very good, ma. Very good.
Thank you,
Superb.
ma'am.
Yeah. Sides, very good, ma. So, children, now you understood, ma. Anyone who has any doubt in this, please tell me. No? Yes? So,
Ma'am, can I read?
yeah, I will call. I'll call. Now I request Ruveda ma'am to call few names, ma'am, so that they can read
Suhan,
it now.
ma'am. Suhan.
Suhan, yes. Suhan, unmute yourself, ma. Suhan,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, Kana, I want you to read this, ma. Yes, please read this. Suhan, what is it? What is this in the picture?
Kalam.
Very good. Kalam. Okay. Kalam means? Kalam means pen. Okay. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you read the sentence. First sentence.
एक कलम है.
Very good. Continue. Continue.
एम क्या है?
हाँ.
यहाँ
Continue.
कलम है.
Very good. A good smiley for you. Very good, ma'am. Okay. Superb. Now, next name, ma'am.
Harshan R.
Harshan R. Harshan.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Read this. Yeah, read this, Kana. What is in the pic? First, tell me what is this?
Kursi.
Kursi. In English, what it means, ma? Kursi means?
Chair.
Very good. Kursi. Now you read this. Sentences.
यह कुर्सी है.
Hi, you should not say. You should say hai. Okay? Hai. Very good. Now you tell me in kursi which u matra is there? Whether it is choti u or whether it is badi u.
छोटा को.
Chota u. Very good, ma. And now you tell me which is the matra in C. Whether it is badi e matra or choti e matra.
बड़ी मात्रा.
Very good, dear. For you, a star. Very good. Now you read the second sentence.
यह क्या है?
Very good. Next.
यह कुर्सी है.
Okay, very good for your star and a smiley. And also this chair is gifted to you. Very good, ma. So you can sit on it and be happy. Thank you, dear. Thank you, dear Harshan. You have done very good. Okay. So, ma'am, next one, ma'am. Oh, 1 minute, ma'am.
Vismaya R.
1 minute. Yes, children. Vismaya. Yes, Vismaya. Vismaya. Not responding, I think, ma'am.
Pranav Darshan.
What, ma'am? Pranav.
Pranav Darshan.
Okay, Pranav Darshan. See, ma'am is calling your name. Please respond. Otherwise, no, don't unmute in between, ma. Ma'am is calling the names. Yes, we have to be in discipline. Okay? So, yes, Pranav Darshan, are you there? Children, if you are not unmuting and speaking, then I would think that you are absent in the class. If you don't know, no problem, we will help you. So, please respond.
Ma'am.
Tarun Krishna. Tarun Krishna. Tarun Krishna. Okay. They are also not responding, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Tarun Krishna came. Yes, Tarun Krishna. See, someone has unmuted and I'm getting echo. So, children, please mute yourself. Yes, Tarun, you please read this one.
Yes, ma'am. And your voice is not audible.
Yes, ma. Read this. I said. As my voice is echoing, so I muted myself. Tarun, please read this.
Yes, ma'am.
Read, Kana.
Yes, ma'am.
Ruveda ma'am. Is he reading, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. He said Gadi.
Gadi, ma'am.
Sunaई नहीं दे रहा. Okay. First line read, ma.
Ma'am, your voice is echoing.
Yeah, my voice is echoing, ma.
Others,
Someone has
please
unmuted.
mute yourself.
Okay, Ruveda ma'am, I'll mute myself and I'll underline it. Tell him to read, ma'am.
Tarun Krishna, as you have unmuted, our voice is echoing. Okay, unmute and read, then mute yourself. Tarun Krishna, can you hear me? Unmute yourself, read it, then mute yourself. Okay, I'll call the next name, ma'am. Guru
Yeah.
Prasad.
Okay, ma'am. Guru Prasad.
Jai Gurudev, ma'am.
जय गुरुदेव डिया. इसे पढ़ो बेटा.
घड़ी, clock or watch. यह घड़ी है.
Very good.
यह क्या है? यह घड़ी है.
Very good. So what we say घड़ी in English?
Clock or watch.
Very good. Clock or watch. Okay. Now you tell me what is this? Whether it is बड़ी की मात्रा और छोटी की मात्रा.
बड़ी की मात्रा.
Very good, dear. Very good for you. A smiley and a star. Very good. And now you tell me what is this letter? What is this letter?
घ.
घ. घ से?
घड़ी.
Okay. घ से घर. Very good. Both you can say. Very good, dear. So for you a good one balloon. Okay. Okay. Very good, dear.
Thank
So now
you, ma'am.
next. Yeah. So any doubts, children, till here? Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I
हाँ, time हो गया है.
So children, next class we will go to we'll read this and I'll call other names also. Okay? Any doubts? Please tell me. Yes, very good, Shrivi. I can see you. Shrivi, I will give you chance in next class, ma. Please remind me, okay? Please remind me because time is up. We have to maintain the time management. Just now we have read about the ghadi. Yes, very good, ma. Thank you, Divya ma'am and Veda ma'am. Thank you, children.
Bye, ma'am.
Jai Gurudev. Satvik, I can see you. Very good.
Ma'am. Jai Gurudev, ma'am.
Thank you, dear. Thank you very much.
Bye, ma'am. Jai Gurudev, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Jai Gurudev, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Jai Gurudev, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Jai Gurudev, Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. धन्यवाद अध्यक्ष जी. शरण